Hi, friends! Come and join me in making ice cream Play-Doh today. Can you help me to choose the right colors? Our ice cream store is ready. Who is our first customer? It's Tom Tom. Let's say hello. Hello, Tom Tom. What flavor ice cream would you like?
I'd like a strawberry ice cream, please.
Okay, can you wait over there? What color is strawberry?
Red!
Yes, strawberries are red. Let's use this mold. In goes the red dough. Press it into the shape. Then close and squeeze it together. Put in a stick and press the mold. Wow! A super strawberry ice cream. Tom Tom, come over. Your ice cream's ready.
Yeah, but something's missing.
Would you like some candy topping?
Oh yes, some sparkly stars would be great!
Can you see the star-shaped candy? This one? Are these star-shaped? Okay, what about these? Yes, let's sprinkle them onto the ice cream. Great! Let's see if Tom Tom likes it.
Hurrah! Strawberry and sparkles! It tastes so scrummy and yummy!
Hi, can I have an ice cream too?
Hi, Bella. What flavor would you like?
I like grapes. Can I have grape flavor, please?
You stand and wait, Bella, whilst we make it for you. What color do we need?
Purple. Purple grapes are my favorite.
Here's our mold. Let's put in the dough. Press it shut, press it hard. Let's pull off this part. Now for the stick. Push it in as far as it will go. Wow, grape-tastic! Hey Bella, come and see your ice cream.
I'm coming. Wow, it's so purple and juicy. Could I have some snowflake candy topping too, please?
Okay. Help me find the snowflakes. Are these snowflakes? No. What about these? No, they're not snowflakes. Yes, here are the sparkling snowflakes. This'll be done in snow time. Ha ha. Frosty frosting. Ha ha.
Wow, it looks like a purple igloo. Delicious. Thanks, guys. You're the best.
Hi, Cody.
Hi, everyone.
So, Cody, which flavor ice cream would you like?
Oh, do you have pineapple flavor?
Yes, I do. Stand over there and wait. Which color for pineapple?
Yellow!
Thanks, kids. Let's grab our mold and put in the yellow dough. Now close and squeeze. Let's take off the squishy sides. What do we need next? That's right, push in the stick. Oops, wrong end. And let's open it up. Cody?
Wow, so cool! But I'd really like some sprinkles on it.
Which ones?
I want some red love hearts, please.
Okay, I'll find some.
Hurrah!
Let's find the love heart candy. Are these love hearts? These are red. Are they heart-shaped? Yes, let's layer it with love. Wow, it's looking good. Do you think Cody will like it?
Hurrah! This ice cream looks the best. Let me try it. Tastes like pineapple love. Haha!
Hello, everyone!
Hello, Nina. What would you like?
I'd like an apple flavor ice cream, please.
Wait over there. Which color apple?
Green.
Let's use this mold with a pattern on it. Push and spread the dough around. Close it and press down hard. Now we'll peel off the extra dough. And it's ready for the stick. Wow, look, Nina.
Yippee! My ice cream's shaped like a beautiful butterfly.
Would you like it decorated?
Yes, please. Can I have candy circles on it?
Coming right up. Can you find the circle candies? Thanks, friends. Let's sprinkle them on. Nina, it's ready.
I'd better take a lick before it flies away. Ha ha! Awesome, guys! This is the best butterfly ice cream ever.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, Nico. Which ice cream would you like?
Can I have 2 flavors? Pineapple and grape, please?
Okay, you wait whilst I mix them up. We need purple and yellow together for this ice cream. Yellow dough on top and purple below. Then we'll close it up and squash together. Wow, Nico, come and see!
It's awesome. Can I have topping too?
Which topping?
Oh, I think flowers would look so cool. What do you think?
Where are the flowers? What about these? You think these? Yes, you found them. Let's sprinkle them on. It's a flower forest. It's ready, Nico.
Wow, I can't wait to try it. It tastes as yummy as it looks. Thanks, guys.
Look, kids, JJ is here. Hello, JJ. Do you want an ice cream?
Oh, yes. I'd like a blueberry ice cream, please.
I'll get that for you. You wait over there. Which color do we need?
Blue!
Let's put blue into the mold and press it down. Squeeze it together. Do you think it's ready? Not yet. What do we need to push in next? Yes, we need a stick. Let's open it up. Wow. JJ, come and check it out.
Wow, I can smell the blueberry flavor.
What about a candy topping?
Yes, do you have seashell candies?
Let me go and check. Take a look, guys. Can you see seashells? What shape are these? Seashells, yes! Let's shake on the shells. Wow!
Hurrah! It looks like the ocean.
And it tastes delicious.
Hello, Yo-Yo. Have you come for an ice cream too?
Yes! Bubblegum flavor is my favorite. Can I have one of those?
Yes, we'll make one for you. Wait over there. What color?
Pink.
Let's make Yo-Yo an ice cream with this mold. Press in the dough nice and tight. Squeeze it together and pull off the extra dough. Ready, let's open it up. What animal is it?
Wow, it's a rabbit-shaped ice cream. Hurrah!
Which candy topping do you want?
I'd like 2 toppings, red love hearts, and sparkly stars. Is that okay?
Of course! Okay, friends. Can you help me find the 2 toppings, please? Love hearts first! Sprinkle, sprinkle! And here are the shining stars! Let's check out Yo-Yo's rabbit. It's ready, Yo-Yo.
Run, rabbit, run! Straight to me! Thanks, guys. It's so yummy!
We've sold all our ice cream today. Thanks for helping. Bye, friends!